What's up, everyone? It's Eric with Option Edge. Happy Sunday. I'm reviewing a trade I put on, I think Thursday, this past Thursday. Didn't get a chance to do a video, so I'm doing it now. So we're looking at Wynn Resorts, Wynn Casinos. So this is what we got. The other day we had major selling. You can see from basically up here all the way down here. That was back in, the whole month of June. Major selling. We got a reading on the RSI Relative Strength Index of about, let's move this away so we can see what the reading was. So on that big, let's look at the red candle day. On that big red candle day, RSI read about 25, just below 25. Okay. So this is consistently has been a very good trigger for a stock being oversold. If it's a good company and you see that the relative strength index hits below 30. Usually 30 is considered oversold, but if you get below 25, that is extremely oversold. It's almost like a statistical anomaly. And I saw this as a good opportunity to get long in this stock. And sure enough, 2 days later, we've had a nice little rebound from where it was selling. So, let me show you how I played this. I did another diagonal strategy and I back tested the results. So let's take a look at the back testing. So this is what we get over the past 5 years. We have a 5-1 win record. If we do this strategy, and let's take a look at the strategy here. We are buying the 50 delta call with a 60-day expiration, and then we're selling the 20 delta call with a 30-day expiration, okay? And let me show you that visualized here just to make it, this is what I bought. So I bought the September 17th, 2021 call at the 115 strike, cost me $7. And then I sold a shorter dated, more out of the money call, the 127 call, expires in August 13th. That cost, I got a credit of 146. So it came out to be a net debit of $5 and $5.55, 54 cents. So let's look at that here. This is my strategy. So, we're up 5%. And one of the reasons why it probably should be a little bit more, but the call we're selling is actually down significantly. And that just, if we were to get to the 27 level, which is up here, we'd make a lot of money. So let's look at E-Trade. Let's look at the stock visualizer. Actually, let me pause this real quick. Okay, and we're on E-Trade looking at this diagonal strategy that I set up. So once again, bought the 115 call, expires in September, sold the 127, expires on August 13th. Something else to keep in mind, let me just go back real quick. Earnings are July 28th, okay? And so we are going to so remember the orange line you see here is the expiration of the first of the short stock, the shorter dated stock or option, excuse me. So that's what the orange line represents. So let's go to, so earnings are July 28th. So I want to close this on a day before earnings. So let's look what the blue line says. If we get to, I think we should get at least to the 120 mark. So that, on a $550 trade, we look to make over a 20% gain. That's $150. So I think that's pretty good. 120, let's mark this. 120 is right here. So I think we're going to see this, we're going to rise up and we might hit that strong resistance point there. So I think that would be perhaps a good place to sell at the 120 level. If we get there, maybe we'll go beyond it. We'll see. We'll see. Let me pause this. And there was one thing I also wanted to say. I went to Motley Fool to look at an article about WYNN, and they were just talking about how in this past quarter, Nevada has seen the state of Nevada reported record gambling revenue of $1.2 billion in May, a 25% increase from 2019, which obviously 2019, we didn't have the coronavirus. So that's a pretty significant bump in gambling. And with earnings coming July 28th, you might see a nice little run into earnings. So I think getting in right here is a really strong position to get in. So I'm pretty confident in this trade that we're going to make some money. As always, this is for educational purposes, and that's all it is. If you want to follow these, that's up to you. That's your decision if you want to follow these trades. But yeah, that's what we got today. So hope you guys enjoyed. Take care and tune in for the next one. Peace. Subscribe and like. Peace.